Today, I'm going to show you how to change the email address that WordPress contact form notifications are sent to specifically if you're using WP Forms. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know exactly where to update that email, but you'll understand why each step is important and how to make sure you never miss another important message from your site visitors. Ready? Let's get started. First things first. There are a lot of different contact form plugins out there for WordPress. But in this video, we're going to focus on WP Forms, since it's one of the most popular and beginner-friendly options. Of course, the exact steps are a little different if you use something like Contact Form 7 or Ninja Forms, but the concepts are very similar. Now, if your goal is to change where your contact form emails go, or maybe you want them to send notifications to more than one person, this is the best and cleanest way to do it. Why? Because editing the notification settings within your form plugin keeps things organized and ensures your contact form continues working perfectly without changing any global site settings or messing with complicated code. Here's how you do it. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, the main admin area where you manage your website. On the left, you'll see a menu item called WP Forms. Hover your mouse over WP Forms and then click on All Forms. This is where you'll see a list of every form you've built so far. If you're not sure which form is connected to your website's Contact Us page, now might be a good time to quickly check your page or even preview each form. To be sure, once you find the form you want to update, simply hover your mouse over its title. You'll see a few options appear underneath. Click on Edit. This will open up the WP Forms Visual Form Builder, which is where you manage the fields and settings for that particular form. Now look for the menu on the left side of the builder. Click on Settings and from the drop-down choose Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Each notification is basically a set of rules telling WordPress who should receive an email when someone submits the form. By default, WP Forms calls the main notification Admin Notification. Click on that notification, either by clicking its name or the little settings icon next to it. Take your time here, it's easy to overlook the right section. In the notification settings, you'll see a field labeled Send to Email Address. This is the field that determines exactly where new contact form entries are sent. Want messages to go to a different department, like sales instead of your main admin account? Simply type the new email address here. If you're hoping to notify several people, maybe you and a coworker, just add each email address, separated by a comma like this. Alice@example.com, Bob@example.com. Don't worry if you're not sure if you've typed it perfectly. You can always edit it later or even send a test submission. Almost done. Remember to click the Save button up at the top right of the screen. It's a bright orange color so you can't miss it. This might sound obvious, but it's an easy step to forget when you're excited to see your changes in action. Give WordPress a second to save your new settings and you're all set. Now, every time someone fills out your contact form, the notification will go straight to the new email inboxes you specified. That's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or if you want me to cover a different contact form plugin, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be glad to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.